Chatty over here. Today I'm flying back home to Colorado from Tampa. Alright, I am at Cigar City, killing some time before my flight. My flight's already delayed 10 minutes, so hopefully it's not delayed anymore. But as long as we're delayed, might as well have some beers. Cheers. Well, killing time because of the flight delay. Might as well just have a quick little beer review with you guys. This is Cigar City's Margarita Gosa. I don't remember the ABV. I don't see it anywhere here. I know it's lighter, maybe 4.6 is my guess, somewhere in that ballpark. I've had it before, but I figured, yeah, let's have it actually on tap in Tampa. So here we go. The head retention is gone. Nice little golden in color. Hazy. Can't really see it through it very well. Give it a smell. Picking up on the sea salt pretty easily. Also, the tartness from the Gosa. Maybe a little bit of the margarita-ness. Cheers, let's give it a try. Alright. Pretty darn good. It's a really good beer. It's one of my favorites from Cigar City. Like I said, I've already done a beer review of it on my channel. But I thought, what the heck, let's have this one. There's another one I'll add after this as well. Next one I'll have is a Belgium style white ale. So I'll be comparing that to Shock Top, Blue Moon, stuff like that. But as for the Margarita Gosa, not overly tart, not overly salty, very good flavor. I enjoy this beer a lot. Very well balanced, it's tasty, it's wonderful. Yeah, this is awesome beer. Awesome beer. If you guys find it in your area, I know it's pretty readily available for the Margarita Gosa. I recommend picking it up in the store. But I'll see you guys for the next beer. Cheers. Alright, well, I'm still delayed. My flight's still delayed, but I did tell you I was going to check out their Frostproof Belgian-style white ale. Here she is. I told you I was going to compare it to a, was it Shock Top and Blue Moon? It's better. I already had a few sips. I was chatting with someone next to me and just sipping on it. It's a very, very good Belgian-style white. I'm just going to call it a wit beer. It's a wit beer. Yeah, it's got the citrus notes to it. Smell the Belgian yeast in it. Two things I love in beer: citrus notes and Belgian yeast. This thing smells wonderful. Let's give it a sip. Oh yeah. Belgian yeast comes through very strongly. The citrus notes come through very strongly. It's very comparable to a Blue Moon, I will say. It's very, very comparable to a Blue Moon and a Shock Top. But this is better. I mean, I've never heard of the Frostproof from Cigar City before till right now. So I'm excited to try and drink this. And yeah, it's a very, very tasty beer. Hopefully my flight does get off today. I'm kind of ready to go home. Had a hell of a good trip. There's going to be plenty of content coming out from my trip. Beer reviews, hot sauce reviews, a baseball game, just hanging out with the family, just all that stuff. You'll see that. It's going to be a lot of fun. Some of it may come out before this. I'm not too sure. I will say I've got about 10 videos plus to edit. So my Florida trip's going to be long drawn out on YouTube. But yeah, I'm going to continue to sip on this beer some more and kill time before my flight. Cheers. Alright, I'm about to board my flight. Thank goodness I stopped drinking beer because it's now being put back on time to get to Denver. But first, this is for 210.90. It's Maryland 1 right there. Ew. Just kidding, boys. I'll see you guys on the flight. for good luck. Well, I guess the 737 MAX 8 has been reinstated by the FAA. We should be fine, right? Well. Thanks to really shitty weather in Denver, I'm delayed 2 hours, so I got a couple hours to kill. Might get something to eat, I might get another drink. You will see in the next clip. Cheers. Well, this is turning into a beer review video, guys, and not a travel vlog, because I'm on my third beer due to this delay. I'm drinking Three Daughters Orange IPA. Pretty looking beer. Looks very nice. Getting a lot of the orange zest from the aromas. Even just general citrus notes. This smells good. Hops are there, but not invasive. Cheers, let's give it a try. It's pretty good, it's pretty good. Sorry, trying to pay out real quick as well. I'm gonna get a sandwich after this. I probably won't review that. I think at this point we should just get on the damn plane and you don't have to deal with my delay any further. Very good flavors. Citrusy, delicious, delightful. Very enjoyable. Flavors are... Oops, sorry. Oh, you're good. And the bartender knocked over my phone. That's all good. We're here. This is impromptu, fun stuff, just random. So hold on real quick. We're trying to do this. Alright, so yeah, so far this beer is really good. Tasty, flavors are awesome. Everything is good with this beer. $3, I need to try them some more. Very, very good beer. As you can see, this is completely on the fly right now. Doesn't really matter. We're just having some fun. But cheers, guys. Three Daughters Orange IPA, fantastic beer. To come down to Tampa, I recommend you trying it. I'll see you guys hopefully on the flight. Cheers. Oh my god, once a freaking camera reboarding. Woo! Here we go. I'll see you guys on pushback and takeoff. We've been sitting here so long. 50 planes have come and gone through that gate right there. No, that's not true. Maybe one or two, but still, this is crazy. Here comes another plane going to a gate. Oh shit, now they're inspecting my engine. What the hell is going on with this thing? You know what, we are on a 737 MAX, so I'm not surprised with all these delays. Hopefully we are wheels up very soon.
For just a moment, like point out safety features going 737 MAX 8. Safety information card is located in your seat back or the shirt pocket right in front of you. To properly fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the bubble, pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the bubble. Position your seatbelt tight, don't crush your hips and wear it anytime that you are seated. 8 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 4 overring window exit, 2 exit doors in the back, sides overhead lights and 42 exits. Evacuation is necessary, followed by an incremental leave servicing. Life racks available 2 at the forward sailing compartment, and 2 at the mid-sailing compartment. If needed there's a life vest located under your seat. Remove the vest only. Those who do so, pull the red strap to open the container. Remove the suitcase, place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front. Hold it tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab. Please place the vest. To manually blow into the tube at your shoulder. There's a light that turns on automatically in the water. Refer to safety information card how to operate the life, especially when traveling with infants. You're gonna distribute additional vests if needed throughout the cabin. We're now coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened, seatback, and your tray tables in their full upright and locked positions, and all your carry items stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking, including the electronic cigarette, is never allowed on board, including the aircraft lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulation requires passenger compliance with lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, crew member instructions, including information on seatbelt, smoking, and wearing of your face mask in compliance with the federal law. It is also prohibited to consume your own personal alcohol on board. That's perfect. If needed for option, mask will drop from compartments overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, hold down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Remove your face covering first. Place the oxygen mask to your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Then screw the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not be inflate. Continue to wear a mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with someone needing special assistance, put on your mask first. We're here for a comfort and safety report, and again, welcome behavior to your flight attendants. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the 3-hour, 11-minute flight to Tampa.
Alrighty guys, this has been an interesting flight so far. About a 2-hour delay taking off. We've been in the air for maybe 40 minutes or so. But yeah, they just came around and asked if we wanted a Coke, Diet Coke, 7-Up, water, or coffee. Of course I went with the water. But it's all not so bad. If you look out the window, you can see out there. It's still light out there. We're probably landing in Denver in the dark. That'll be 2 years in a row landing in Denver in the dark. I picked this flight on purpose to land during the day to be able to get like a nice, mountain landing. You can see the mountains or even the plains, but fortunately, it's probably not all going to work that way. Oh well. I'll see you guys throughout the flight. approach looked like this, exactly like this last year. We were late coming into Denver. We're over New Mexico. It all looks just like it did last year. I think we're back in 2020.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Ain't spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster. Hurry, make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Ain't spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
We're here. On behalf of East American Southwest Airlines, we'd like to welcome you to Denver. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign and the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items enter ship during the flight and quick call out. If you're connecting here to an hour Southwest flight, please check the TV monitors at the terminal for flight and gate information. We'll be doing some ground provisioning here in Denver. If you're traveling with someone needing supervision, stay clear of the front and back exit doors. Please double check your seatbelt pockets. Check your area. Make sure you have all your belongings. Once you deplane, you cannot re-enter the aircraft. Maintain wearing your face mask, covering your nose and mouth for the entire deplaning process. Once again, we apologize for the weather delay. You know you have many choices when you fly. We thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Denver.
I just landed. That flight was deja vu from last year's flight. If you guys go back a year ago, check out the vlog from Tampa to Denver last year. The video is going to look very identical. But after a 2.5 hour delay, I am home and I'm ready for a beer. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe. And don't forget to wash your hands.